Hello everyone, welcome you once again to our channel EduSci. So today I am going to discuss about Cambridge Mathematics. But before starting my video, I would like to give you a reminder that please subscribe my channel. So our today's topic is multiple factors and prime. So first, multiples, a number that can be divided by another number without remainder. For example, multiple of 6 are 6, 12 and 18. 6, 12 and 18. 6 divided by 6, remainder is 0. Same way say 12 divided by 6, remainder again 0. And when we divide 18 by 6, remainder is 0. So these all are the multiples of 6. In the other words, you know that the multiplication table, that means table of 6 are the multiple of 6. Table of 5, that means 5, 10, 15, these all are the multiples of 5. So in this way you can find out the multiple of any number. So next we are having factors. Factors are the numbers we can multiply together to get another number. That means when we'll multiply two numbers, we'll get another number. So these two numbers are the factor of the answer 1. That means 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So 2 and 3 are the factor of 6 and 6 is the multiple of 2 and 3 both. Now next, prime number. A number that can be divided exactly by two numbers. That means the one number is 1 and the other number is the number itself. These are called prime number. In the other sense, I can explain you the numbers which are having only two factors are called prime numbers. So here factors of 7 are 1 and 7 only. So 7 is a prime number. Same way 17. Two factors are there only, 1 and the number itself. So this is also a prime number. So next we are having composite numbers. Numbers which are not prime, or in the other words, numbers having more than two factors are called composite number. For example, we'll take 4. 4 come in a table of 1, 2 and 4. That means these three numbers are the factor of 4. So 4 is not a prime, it is a composite number. So let us solve these concepts with the help of some example. So find the factors of 20. Now by multiplication factors we can write down 1 multiplied by 20 is equal to 20, 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20 and 4 multiplied by 5 again is equal to 20. So these all are the factors of 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. So these are the factor of 20. So now example number 2, multiples. Here we have to find out the multiples of any term. So whatever the terms they have given you, you need to write down the table of that particular number. So multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32. We'll discuss about LCM. LCM means least common multiple. So here we'll discuss about the three methods of LCM. So I have taken two numbers 9 and 12. We need to find out the LCM of these two numbers. So method 1, multiple method. So first we are going to write down the multiples of 9 and 12. Multiples of 9 are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81 and 9 10s are 90. So now multiples of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. So here we'll get first common multiple. Nine fours are 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72. Now one more common multiple. So here we are going to write down the common multiples. 36 and 72 are the common multiples of 9 and 12. So LCM means least common multiple. That means the number which is the smaller between these two numbers. That is 36. So the LCM of 9 and 12 is 36. So method number 2, long division method. In this method we can use only prime numbers for the division. So 9 and 12. 9 divisible by 3 and 12 divisible by 2. So we'll start with 2. 9 remains same and 12 divided by 2 get 6. Now again 6 divided by 2 again. So we'll start with 2 again. 9 remains same and 6 divided by 2 3. Now 9 and 3 both come in 3's table. 9 divided by 3 3. 3 divided by 3 get 1. Now again table of 3 1 and 1. So now the LCM of 9 and 12 is the multiple of these numbers. That means LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 36. That means answer is same in both the cases. Now third method, prime factorization. This is approximately same as long division method, but we are doing both the numbers. We are using both the numbers separately. 9 divided by 3 3. 3 divided by 3 you get 1. Same with 12. 12 is divisible by 2. 6. Again 2. So here we have to take the numbers. 3. Here 2 times. Here 1 time. So we can write down here 2 times. 3 multiplied by 3. 2. Here no 2 is there. Here 2 comes 2 times. So we'll write down here 2 times. So the LCM is 36. All the 3 methods answer remains same. That means the LCM of 9 and 12 is equal to 36. Now next concept is HCF, means highest common factor. So here I have taken two numbers 24 and 32. For HCF we'll also discuss 3 methods. So first is factor method. Here we will write down the factors of both the numbers. Factors of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now factors of 32. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So now find out some common factors. 1, 2, 4 and 8. These all are the 4 common factors. Write down here 1, 2, 4, 8. Now HCF means highest common factor. That means the term which is the greatest among these common factors. So 8 is the greater. That means the HCF of 24 and 32 is 8. Now next, long division method. Now use the division. Keep the greatest term inside and the smaller term outside. 24 ones are 24. 32 minus 24, 8. Now what we have to do? Now 8 is the remainder. So for the HCF, now remainder changes into divisor. Now 24 comes here at the place of dividend. Now 8 3s are 24. Here your remainder is 0. So our division process complete. HCF is 8. Where your division process complete, that divisor is your HCF. Now next method is prime factorization method. So same way, 24 and 32. 24 comes in 2's table. You'll get 12. Now 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 divided by 2, get 3. And 3 divided by 3, 1. Now 32 again comes in 2's table. So 32 divided by 2, 16. 16 divided by 2, 8. 8 divided by 2, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. And 2 divided by 2, 1. Now we have to take the common term. 2 is common, 3 times here, 3 times here. So the HCF is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. So finally the HCF of 24 and 32 is equal to 8. In this video I have discussed about your factors, multiple, prime factors, composite number, HCF and LCM. So try to practice these concepts. If you find out any difficulty, please write down in comment section. Thank you.